Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can change your YouTube banner in 2020. Alright, so I'm gonna change this one to a new YouTube banner. Okay, so to change this we can go to your YouTube channel and we can click on this camera icon, and this will take you to channel customization. You can also just go to your profile image and click on YouTube Studio. And in the left sidebar, you just click on this one, customization. And under channel customization, you click on branding. And this will take you to the same settings, all right? Then we have this one, banner image. This image will appear across the top of your channel. For the best results on all devices, use an image that's at least 2048 times 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes or less. Alright, so to change your YouTube banner, click on this one, change. Choose your YouTube banner and click on open. Alright, so now we got this customized banner art pop up. So now we can preview how this will look on TV, on desktop, and on all devices. We can also adjust the size. If you drag these white corners like this, you have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and just drag it so everything looks right. I'm gonna have it bigger, like so. So when you're satisfied, just click on done. And now go up to the top right and click on this one, publish. And this will publish your YouTube banner. So changes published. You can click on go to channel. And now you can see that I have my new YouTube banner in place. Okay everyone, so this is how you can change your YouTube banner in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.